Hi, Stan Martin here from Martin Manufacturing, home of TrunnionTable.com. Hey, today we're here showing you how we designed and built this fixture for a customer to machine 8 motorcycle lights at a time on our 923 quick change trunnion. While 8 are being machined, they're unloading and loading 8 more with a second fixture. We were able to get this customer from doing about 16 parts an hour to 64 parts an hour with a simple quick change fixture. So right now you see the half-inch end mill coming down, and it will cut the face of all 8 parts as well as ID on all 8 parts. And again, keep in mind that these 8 parts are being done while 8 more are being loaded, unloaded, and reloaded offline, so that when this fixture is finished, the machine is complete, we'll have 8 more parts to put in the machine immediately. So you're not opening and closing the door every minute. You're opening and closing the door, every 6 or 7 minutes, which in 6 or 7 minutes you get 8 completed parts. The less time we have to open the door and the more time the spindle is running, the more money we're all making. So we strive to help customers make as much as they can using our fixtures. And this is our 923 quick change fixture that we've got this fixture that we 3D milled to hold these lights. And you see it right now at 90 degrees. It's coming down, machining that diameter with a box tool. So we did the ID and the OD in one shot. And we can do that because these fixtures are extremely rigid and extremely accurate. So when you go to 90 degrees, your indexer tells you at 90 degrees, we're machining at 90 degrees also. So here we are at negative 90 degrees. And you look right out front there, you can see the Jergens ball lock shank sticking up with a thumb screw. So at the end of this video, you'll see the operator loosen those thumb screws in all 4 corners, pull the ball lock shanks out, set them on a table, pick up the new fixture, put it in, and reinsert those ball lock shanks. So again, we're all about saving you as much money as we can in an easy, simplified manner. And this is about as easy as it gets right here. No need for hydraulic or pneumatic clamping on these parts. So we don't in any way, shape, or form think that'd be faster. We make a lot of fixtures with hydraulic and pneumatic clamping, but not this one. We just didn't think it would be any faster. So here we are. We are finished with this part. You see George taking out the ball lock shanks out of the fixture. He's a pretty fast guy, but just about anybody can do this. So there it goes. He pulls that whole fixture off. It's all aluminum, so it's very lightweight, easy to handle. So you see there's 8 completed parts. He blows off the fixture, make sure there's no chips on it, of course. Now he's picking up the second fixture that we made, sliding it onto the table. So you see 8 raw castings that are going to be machined here in a second. And again, we're now doing 64 parts an hour versus 16 parts an hour before. So this company that we made the fixture for is making quite a bit more money on these than they ever did. Even though they're making shop rate at 16, imagine what they're making at 64. So this again is our 923 quick change fixture. We can make it for anybody's rotary table made. We customize the center height to match the rotary table. And there you go. Thank you.